Hey guys, it's Gardening with Dave. I got a request by one of my viewers who asked, what do I do when I have bugs on my plants? Now, in order for you to do a little bit of cleansing, what I've normally done is grab one of these spray nozzles that have that multi-settings. The setting that you want to use is the flat setting. I'm going to give you an example of what I normally would have done. If you go under the leaf, typically that's where you're going to see most of your aphids, ants that are gathering. And just spray it down. We're gonna do the same with the rest, and once you're done with the back side, let's go ahead and do the front. And that's really about it. Just go ahead, rinse and repeat. Use it as needed. Once or twice a day would be great. Just make sure that you stay away from spraying on a hot summer. Typically, I recommend towards the end of the night or early mornings.